Hey gang, Carl White here, and I'm here for your Wednesday tip. All right, so we got some good news and we kind of got some bad news, right? But I'm going to tell you how to get around it. So here's the thing. So you're probably having a lot of clients right now that are saying, hey, I know the Fed dropped the rate already, and it's likely we're hearing that they might drop it again. And if the Fed drops a rate, my mortgage rate goes down, right? We're hearing a lot of that. I'm sure you are too. What they don't know is that the lower rates are already baked into our price sheets that we're seeing now. In other words, our price sheets that we're quoting our clients, both you and me, that the lower rate in the anticipation of the Fed lowering the rate, it's already there, right? It's already there. They just don't know it. And so some of the people are holding off on the refinances, the cash out refinances, the debt consolidation refinances. We're doing a good amount of those. And some people are holding off on the purchases too, thinking that, hey, it's going to get even better yet again. And I'm not saying it's not. I mean, who knows? But what we do know, it's definitely a good time now. So here's what you do. I was talking with Owen Lee. He shared this with us the other day. Brilliant idea. What he said to do is hold up two pieces of paper when you're talking with him. This was my rate sheet 6 months ago, and this is my rate sheet today. And as you can see, they're substantially lower. That the further decreases that we're expecting. The good news is it's already in today's pricing, right? That's the anticipation, and that likely we won't see too much of a difference. We can't say that we won't, right? Nobody knows the difference, but what we can say is here's what it was, here's what it's now, and it's way less than 0.5% down. So the Fed went down 0.5%. They're expecting to go down some more. As you can see, my rate 6 months ago and my rates today is a substantial difference, right? I mean, like 2% in many cases, some even more. So a substantial difference. So the lower rate of the anticipated decrease in the Fed, it's already priced in. The other thing you can tell them is you also want to be careful that as the rates go down, it's very possible that the home prices are going to go up because people buy payments, not prices. Let me say that again. People buy payments, not prices. And I'd let my database know this, my pre-approved and looking at people that's kind of on the fence, let them know that as the rates go down, that in some areas of the country, I mean, do your due diligence yours, but in some areas of the country, the price of houses are likely actually going to increase because they'll increase without increasing the payments because the rates are down. So just inform your pre-approved and lookings and your prospects these things, and I think it'll help you out. It'll help you convert more, get more conversions out of the people that you're already talking to. So anyway, thanks for Owen Lee for bringing that up. I love the showing them two pieces of paper thing. Absolutely brilliant idea. I really like that. Hey, by the way, if you haven't seen our 1 hour State of the Union that I did with Owen, be sure to go check it out. And even if you watched it, after we did it, we re-recorded it, made it a little bit shorter, consolidated it a little bit, and brought up a couple extra points that we kind of didn't have time for on the first one. And so even if you watched it, I'd go watch it again. We had 2,313 people registered. Zoom only allows 1,000 on at a time. So if you weren't one of the first 1,000 people on it and you want to go watch it, go watch it. It's really good. It's completely free. And in it, we're going to tell you, again, some more good news, some bad news, and a major threat that we're all under. And many loan officers aren't even aware of this thing. And it's a major, major, major threat. So make sure you go check this out. And again, it's all completely free. Just tell us, click on the link, tell us where to send it to, and we'll send it to you. And there's a thing, if you want us to email it to you, we'll do that. And if you want us to text it to you, we can text it to you too, if you want to make sure it doesn't get in the spam folders. And we'll also give you the PowerPoint presentation too. Like, it's totally free. Just ask for it and we'll give it to you. Like, no big deal. So I think that's about it. So, all right. So that's it. So go check out the recording. Really good stuff on the state of the mortgage industry address that we did. And appreciate all you guys, and take action, use the tips, get more training for free. And I'll see you right here next week on your Wednesday tip.